So my HTTP server adapter is running on port number 50042, and the URI is or the URL to access the web application that is deployed on the HTTP server adapter is my file gateway. Go to slash my. I want to access it locally just to make sure that it has been deployed successfully. So you can see that I'm able to access the application, but I do not see the home page because in another tab I have logged into Sterling Integrator using the user ID admin, and the admin user does not have access to my file gateway. Right, so that is why I see this page. So, but it's okay. Now the next part is SSP. Now I will go to SSP box where my SSP is installed. So this is where my SSP is installed. Okay, I will also access that URL from my SSP to make sure that everything is working. So this is the IP address of box where Sterling Integrator is installed, and the port number was 50042 slash my file gateway. Okay, so I'm able to access my file gateway. Okay, that means I can touch or I can connect to the I'm able to connect on the port in the SI from the SSP server or SSP box. So that is the requirement, right? You cannot make SSP working until unless you can touch the SI box and the port on which your web application is running. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the things that is required to configure an HTTP server adapter in SSP. So as I told you in the last and in my previous session that I always take bottom to up approach. So I will first create policy. So I will create HTTP policy. Okay, SSP2 HTTP policy advanced. So, and I think I have already explained these fields to you, so I'm not going to explain again, right? So in the internal user mapping, I will choose this one this time, that the user ID password pass through from client. So whatever user ID password will come from the external client, right? It will be passed to the Sterling integrator for the authentication and authorization. Click on save. So here is my HTTP policy. Next, I'm going to create netmap. Here is my netmap, HTTP, inbound nodes and the outbound nodes, right? So first I will create inbound node. So I will click on new. Okay, sorry, I have to first provide the name. HTTP, HTTP netmap. Okay, click node. So I have already explained you enough about the nodes. Okay, so I'm not going to explain again. So this is my external node. Okay, I can provide an IP address to restrict the or make a security check based on the IP address.